Hi everybody. Now we're going to be talking about the best places to wear LifeWave Energy Enhancer patches. Now, if you look at the instructions for use, you're going to see that there are 5 locations that we recommend. Now, any of those locations are going to be great, but we're just going to use 2 as an example. Now, any of the places where you apply the energy patches, they're going to boost your energy and help to circulate energy throughout the body. Now, one of the places that I like is on the wrists, and it's really easy to find. What you're going to do is take your 3 fingers and place it up against your wrists like this. You then remove the backing from the patches and place the white patch on the right wrist at 3 finger widths below the crease in the wrist. You're going to do the same thing on the left wrist. You go 3 finger widths from the crease in the wrist and then put the tan patch on the left wrist. And this is going to help to provide you with constant, stable levels of energy throughout the day. Now, the second place that you can wear the LifeWave Energy Enhancer patches is just below the kneecap. And this point is also really easy to find. And there's actually 2 different ways that you can locate this point. First, you're going to take 4 finger widths and go just below the kneecap like this. And the point that you're looking for is just to the outside of the leg, right over here. Now, the second way that you can find this point is you take your index finger and you drag it up along the outside of the knee, outside of the leg, and it's going to be the point where the depression is. So it's the same point. So that's 4 finger widths below the kneecap, or just taking your index finger and dragging it up the leg and pressing on the depression. So there's 2 different ways of finding that point. So you're going to place the white patch on the right leg, and then you're going to be placing the tan patch at the same point on the left leg. Now, either one of these locations is going to be a great way to improve your energy. You put them on in the morning, take them off at night, and it's going to give you constant, stable levels of energy throughout the day. Now, for those of you that are going to participate in some type of strenuous exercise, or you have a big event coming up and you want that even bigger boost of energy, you can use the Energy Enhancer patches, 2 sets, one on the wrist and the second set below the knees the way that we have them here.